Major Leader, Cadet Major Kimberly B. Gabriel, Band Leader, Cadet Major Jazz O. Aconya, Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Louis B. Designa, Company XO, Cadet Captain Christian Dave M. Politik, First Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Jesse James D. Navarro, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Sophia May Red, CAT Facilitator, Rodolfo F. Praferosa Jr., Assistant CAT Facilitator, Joel Canaco, DLC Coordinator, Riza A. De La Torre, Major Trainer, Hannah E. Raka, DLC Trainer, Mark Joseph Sevilla, CAT Trainer, Master Sergeant Ronald Pilido Retired, CAT Assistant Trainer, Mark Chris A. Gorobat. Entry number 5, Pamplona, National High School, Poblacion Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Number 5, Pamplona National High School, Poblacion Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 6, La Consolacion College of Iriga, San Francisco, Iriga City. President, Sister Elizabeth Infante, OSA. Principal, Ms. Jocelyn Malinao. Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Christopher Velasco Jr., Corps S1.